In this video, I'll show you how to export a Lovable project to GitHub. First, sign into your Lovable account and open the project you want to export. Once the project loads, make sure all of your recent changes have been saved. Next, look for the GitHub option in your project dashboard. If this is your first time connecting GitHub to Lovable, click Connect GitHub and authorize Lovable to access your GitHub account. After that, follow the authorization process and grant the requested permissions. Once the connection is complete, return to your Lovable project. Now, click the GitHub button and choose Create Repository if you want Lovable to create a new GitHub repository for your project. You may be asked to enter a repository name and select whether the repository should be public or private. Next, confirm your settings and continue. Lovable will prepare your project files and push them directly to GitHub. Depending on the size of your project, this may take a few moments. Once the export is finished, you'll receive a confirmation message. Click the repository link to open GitHub and verify that all of your project files were transferred successfully. After that, review the repository contents. You should see your application's source code, configuration files, and project folders available inside GitHub. Now, whenever you make changes in Lovable, you can continue syncing updates with GitHub. This allows you to keep a backup of your project and collaborate with other developers if needed. Finally, test the repository by opening a few files and confirming that everything was exported correctly. Once verified, your Lovable project is successfully connected to GitHub and ready for further development. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export a Lovable project to GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.